Today on Dog Grooming with Elizabeth Jenn, I'm showing you how I scissor poodle legs using proper scissoring techniques to create clean, balanced columns.
For those who don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010.
So for her legs, I'm going to start by clipping. I'm clipping her legs with a number 2 Andis comb. That would be this one right here, and that is a 10 millimeter 3/8 inch. Am I right? Yes. So I'm going to clip the side, down the side here. There are two ways you can do this. You can either just clip and just run off, just come right off like this and not clip the rest, and just do the rest with your scissors. Or I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm just going to come in and I'm going to clip all the way down the foot here. You know, one or the other way is fine. It's just how you feel like doing it. There are days where I just do the scissors and days that I do the clip with the clipper. The only thing is I will finish this leg off with the scissors, as I'll show you afterwards. So I'm going to do the same thing with this side here, and she's a difficult pup. I really chose a difficult one for this today. So you're going to see how I have to handle pups that are more difficult. If they're kicking like this, like she kicks, I'm just going to lock her knee here. So see, she can't bend her knee back. So I'm just going to come in and clip like that. Use my slicker brush to brush everything up. And there you go. Got it all done. Follow the back end here. Again, I'm going to finish all of this with the scissors afterwards. So the next part that I'll do is I'm going to just clip around, cut actually with my curves. I will cut around the foot. There are two ways you can do this. You can either lift the foot, and to bevel the foot you go all around and keeping your scissors as flat as you can. That's going to give a nice bevel. If you're coming in sideways like that, it'll be more square. So you got to just try to keep your scissors flat like that without cutting the pads, of course. There's another way you can do it, is just with the toe down, the foot down, and just feel for that toe and come in an angle like this. Not straight, but in an angle. See my angle? Like that. Like that. There you go. I like to lift the foot. That's my favorite way, lifting the foot. I just got used to it. So I'm gonna do all fours like this. And by the way, I did not use the clipper to clip the front legs here. I just brought the clipper here and came right off the shoulder like that, because the rest, all the legs will be scissored. I never really use clippers on the legs. Rarely do I use clippers on the legs. I mean on the front legs. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. All right, so now to shape the back leg. Your clippers did a pretty good job on giving you the basic shape. Now all you're gonna do is you're gonna clean it up. And to do so, I always start in the back of the leg. You start where you want. I'm just showing you how I do things. So I'm using my curves, and I'm just going to curve this, leg out like that. Okay. Once I've done this, I'll probably come back in, guys. It's always about coming back in and readjusting. So for my straights, I'm just going to come straight down over here. There's another way, I'll show you on the other leg, there's another way that you can do it too. But we'll say for this leg, coming straight down. Be careful, there's a pad there, right down there. So I'm going to sit down for this. Give me a second. She cries a lot. Yes, she does. Panting and stressed. See how I did that? I pulled everything outwards. If there are knots, just leave the knots. It's fine. It's fine. Leave the knots, because all you're going to do is cut through those knots. See how I'm just poking in there and just bringing it straight down to the table. The more you do it, the easier it gets, guys. See how I'm holding her tail out of the way? I just tossed her tail over with my thumb, and with this finger here, I'm locking her leg so that she doesn't bend it. Turn your head, hun. See? So see how if I pull, how I lock that, keeping this out of the way? You're not over, you don't push too hard. You just keep it in place. Okay? So you did that part. And then I like to just bring everything to one side and do the same thing. Just think of that straight line. And then I may fluff back everything back up and then come in and try to keep fixing any sticky outies that I see. All right, so now we're gonna do the side. I usually do the back, the inside part. I'll come do the side here, which the length is pretty much, see how I pressed here? The length is pretty much what I want because I use my clipper comb. So I'm just pushing that leg out, pushing her leg out to try to keep her leg straight. Now she could move, but you gotta kind of anticipate that. You can feel the way she'll pull her leg in, try to pull her leg in. You'll be able to kind of anticipate. I don't know how to explain it, but okay. Now we're doing this part here of the leg, which I'm just locking that knee again. Again, we're not holding hard. We're just not allowing her to bend her knee. And I'm just going all around this part here, just all around this here, okay? I'm gonna use my curves to come do the curve. And I'm gonna go all around. No, see how she's pulling? No, honey. You gotta tell them no. No, wait. And if they're moving too much, stop the cutting. You know, you gotta make sure that you're not going to hurt the pup, right? So, okay. I'm just gonna come here and come all around, all the way down. I'm following that leg. See, I'm following the leg. And I'm just going to clean everything up all around. Just look at what's not working. Maybe on the inside, turn the leg lightly, just lightly, and we're gonna go straight down. That's all I'm doing now. I'm just cleaning it all up. And of course, you wanna get this little flab of skin here. My fingers are here, because I wanna be sure if I catch something, I'll catch my fingers first and not her skin. So see, that leg is completely done. You can comb everything back. Combing downwards is a good idea. You know how we fluff up to cut, but then comb back downwards to see what your cut looks like. See, so that's one leg there. All right, so I'm holding her leg out like this. See how I have my arm against her body here? I'm holding her leg out. This helps for her to not turn this way. Her foot is flat here. I'm just gonna go underneath and make a straight line. You wanna be sure not to catch that little toe. There's a little toe there. You don't wanna catch that. I see her fairly often, like every 5 weeks or so. So there's not a lot to cut off, but it does show. Fluffing everything up. And I have my arm underneath the pup, and I've got my hand around the armpit here, trying to keep that leg straight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go from the shoulder. Yeah, she's annoyed with me. From the shoulder, I'm going all the way down. I'm just going down, down, down. Yeah, that's it. There, not too bad. Turn you around. Same thing here. We're gonna hold the leg out. I hope she lets me do this. And I'm gonna go straight into the chest right there. You be careful with that, the tip of your scissors. You don't wanna cut. You don't wanna poke her, I mean. Okay, so I did this side, that side. Now I'm gonna look underneath, see what I need to get done underneath here. And now I'm going to do the top part here. Fluff everything up. I'm holding her. She's got little hairs back there. I'm gonna see if she lets me do it. If she pulls up, if they pull up, you just let them pull a bit and then just start pulling back down and kind of work with the dog, you know, so they'll pull and then you let go a little and then you pull back slowly and you tell them no. So all I'm doing, guys, is you go all around here. I started with the flat top and then you fix your edges. Wait, see what she's doing? Hang on. Wait. Okay, so I'm letting go. I'll pull back just a little bit. See how she let me take her leg there. You kind of got to let go just a little. So that's not too shabby. I'm going to fluff everything up here, and we're going to go straight down. And I'm just going to blend that right into the leg. See? All right, let's do the other leg. Oh, what's that about? Why is she... No. Oh, my other dog is barking. All right, so I'm going to do this. See, there's knots here. I don't even need to take those knots out because I know I'm going to cut that. I'm putting my finger where that little extra toe is back there. I'm going to just cut. Straight line. Underneath, that's my pup barking on the other side of in the other room. So I'm here. This is how I usually do it. You can either do the same thing as I did a while ago, put your hand under the arm, but I like to hold her head because I don't want her turning also. So I'm holding her head here, and I'm going straight down. So this is really the way you feel comfortable. I'm just showing you how I do it. So I got all that off. Now that made like a corner here. So I just want to round this out. So we're going to get rid of this corner and round everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to do the inside like this. See how I hold this leg here? I don't want her head coming down. Now she wants to turn her head instead. I'm just going to go straight. I'm following the length of her leg bone, right? Just straight in. But when they turn their head that way, she needs to turn her head towards me for this to work. All right, so I'm gonna hold that little hair here, little hairs on the bottom of her foot. It's right here, right behind this here. This is where I'm holding. And if that doesn't work, I have to hold at the elbow. So she's gonna pull, I let go a bit, I pull it back lightly. See, I'm gonna do the top. I'm gonna come around. There's no perfection again, guys. This is not competitive grooming. Some dogs are easier to groom than others, as you know. As you've heard me say before. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Come hang out with me. Come hang out with me. I got lots to teach you. Right, so I didn't finish this part a while ago, so I'm just going to keep going straight. This is just a straight line. Right in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do though, over here, I'm going to look underneath, and I'm going to go in this way. Just clean that up a bit. Yeah, you're always so worried, honey. You may need to just clean up the chest area here a bit. There. See? Nice little legs there. All right. So now we are doing the last leg. I'm going to toss that little tail over. I'm holding her underneath here, fluffing everything up. I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to come in and do the back leg. She's so tall. Okay, so I have my curve here. I'm going to fluff everything down. I'm going to lift this leg. I'm going to show you the other way that I do this also. Lift the leg and you come in and just clip that like that. Be careful. You don't want to catch that toe with this here, okay? Always watch where your blade is going. Comb everything to the side, and I'm going to do the same thing, nice and straight. There you go. Same thing, comb on this side, nice and straight. And then all you want to do is clean up your little corners there, just so that it's round and not flat, you know, like a box. So I'm going to do the sides here, which again, were clipped already. I'm just cleaning it up, making it look good. I'm going to clean this area up here, round that out a bit, and do the same thing here. I'm locking her leg. I don't want her folding that leg on me. You're such a crybaby. Same thing here. Curves, which is cleaning it up. Fluff everything up. Okay, I'm gonna get some in the inside here. All the way down on the inside. Fluff up again. I gotta toss that tail. I'm sideways, guys. I'm sorry. Hang on, give me a second. I'm gonna try to sit and do this better here. Okay, sorry for that. Fluff everything up. See how I'm holding her leg? I have her tail between these fingers, and I have this leg that I'm kind of lifting out of the way, and she's leaning into my hand. Oops, sorry. Sorry. So sorry. All right, let's turn her around, and this is how I'll finish off the back end here. I'm just going to fluff everything up and do the same thing as I did on this side. I'm going to just follow that leg. There. There, follow the leg. We're pretty much done there. And that's how the legs are done. See? Back there. On the side. Oops, I need to get this here. There's always something somewhere. That's pretty good. So if you've enjoyed this video, you're probably gonna like the next one. Guys, I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. And come and join me in the members area. Until then, bye for now. Bye.